We are in Guildford today. It's been a while since we've been out fishing, so let's hope we find some really good treasures. See you on the other side. Oh. Right, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Let's get our magnets wet.
It must be the old bit of fencing.
There's bubbles coming up. As long as there's bubbles coming up, it's moving.
It's moving, whatever it is. And it's big. It's a bike. That's the handlebars.
The racer.
It's a racer.
That is a proper shank.
That's proper homemade. That's a good one, that, isn't it?
That's very impressive, really. Put that in the treasure box.
And a sock.
Oh.
Balls.
Why the sock?
That's very strange shape.
We haven't got a bag.
Do you want to just? I've got a black bucket. Steal it there, and then I'll put it in the black bucket for rubbish.
Okay.
That's bizarre.
What on earth?
I said there was lots of stuff down there, didn't I? Got a bit of guttering.
What's going on here?
So we've moved location, we're now in town. Let's hope we can find some treasure.
Cool.
Is it open?
You're gonna have to press the button.
It hasn't been in there very long, is it? Dodge Central.
It's a funky looking bit of kit.
Put it in the treasure.
It's a bricklayer's line.
Oh, it's a shank! I really want it to be a shank.
There'll be another one of these. Right, so there'd be a pair.
Yep.
Or, bricklayer would have half a dozen.
Yep.
He builds his pier
Yep.
up the corner, puts that in there, takes a string to the other end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's a flat edge.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Oh.
I've got a pair.
That'll do it, isn't it?
That's not a knife. Oh, I've got all sorts on there.
That's it.
That'll do, isn't it? Put that in the treasure box. just to prove we do take all our rubbish home. As you can see, we've got our 2 trolleys filled. We also took someone else's rubbish as well because we want to do our bit.